You're starting off to doing more traditional drawing and you don't know what art supplies you should buy. In this video, I'm going to tell you all the things that you need to buy without breaking the bank to start your new hobby. This is beginners or somebody just wants to draw and feel like I want to draw and just do it for a hobby, or I want to better myself in my craft, because it's always stages when it comes to drawing. That's why I'm making this video, because I know someone out there right now having a hard time figuring out what art supply, what pencil, what paper, what. You don't need to know about all that right now. That should not be what you should be focused on right now. It's a simple thing that you need to get. Just a pencil, a paper, and an eraser. That's it. You don't need a lot. But if you want to be a little bit fancy, then you can get the high price things. But this is for the ones that don't have that money right now, or do have that money and still don't want to break the bank and still don't want to buy high price things. You just want to get something that's easy, that's cheap or affordable for you to buy. It's not about cheapness, it's just about just to have something. Don't think that you need to have the high price things to draw good. You're the artist. Once I said it before, you are the artist. So you just need to get the materials. And I'm also going to share some things I feel that you need to use. Use a sketchbook that's small, or you want a bigger sketchbook. It depends what you feel that you need. It's comfortable for you. So if you want a big sketchbook, get you a big sketchbook. I don't use this book like that. This is my first sketchbook, but I feel like this is my first sketchbook than any other book. Or just get some pieces of paper that does have lines or don't have the lines. Whatever you want to use, I feel that you should use. Instead you're trying to paint or you're trying to do markers, you're gonna have to take your time with that, what feels right with you when it comes to that point. Right now you don't have to worry about that, because right now you're drawing. So just get some paper and just draw. Shading is another time when you come to that, when you're about to do anything else. That's when you do all that extra stuff. But when it comes to like just drawing a picture, just get you some pencils. I'm using this pencil right here. This is a H. This is a HB. Later you will learn all these letters, what they mean. That comes down the line. But I got this pencil box from the dollar store. I like it because it's two. Let me put this to the side. Okay. Anyway, I got my sharpener. This is for a, your pencil. If it gets a little bit too short, you can put this. It's a pencil extender, so you can put your pencil inside there, and it just, be able to feel and just like a whole full pencil. And then you got your eraser. I got this from dollar store. I like it because you can, I like this. I use this a lot in my videos. And I also got a, extra one. So it comes with two. I'll let you know I haven't been using them I don't use this that much, but I use this more than anything. These things look a hot mess, but it's one of these erasers. Anyway, I like it because it's easy. I can switch it out if I need to. And I like it because it's like a pencil. So it reminds me of a pencil, easy to grip in my hands. I can erase it like I need to. Got this little old regular thing. This is a year old. But I got this from Amazon. I'll show you. I'll put it in my description down below. And also some clips when you're going to clip the papers, when you're in your sketchbook. Get your sketchbook and say you want to, put it here and you want to do your little drawings and stuff like this, just to keep the pages from falling all over you, That's all. But you don't need it if you're just using a piece of paper. And this is all my pencils. Not all of them, but most of them. But it comes with all the little, pencils that you need when it comes to shading and drawing. So that's why I got this. Easy. Couple dollars. Didn't cost me a lot. And then when I don't need it, I just put it away to the side. I was watching someone like last year on YouTube. Last year I wasn't even on, I didn't have an art channel. I had a different channel. I remember he was saying that you should have a brush. So I've been using this for a whole year right now, and it's been doing me good. And you might say, what you need a brush for? When you're doing your eraser, get your, you just dust it off. Just, a little fancy, a little bougie, you know what I'm saying? Easy. Whatever fits good in your hands when you're drawing. Whatever you use, it should be good for you. Mostly it's what you like. When I'm drawing and I'm sitting down for the day, unless I'm adding more details to that drawing, then I pull out the other things, my other pencils. But I'm using one thing at a time. A pencil, eraser, and a brush. That's it. That's all you need. This is it. Get you a paper, get you a pencil that you like, get you an eraser that you're comfortable with. It doesn't have to be, you can get one of these erasers, the ones that you can move and shape to whatever you want to shape it to. If you don't want those, you want an OG eraser, get you an OG eraser, get you a pencil. It does the same thing. That's all you need. I hope this video was helpful for anybody that's having a hard time trying to figure out what they should use to start creating or start drawing. And I'm your girl. I'm here. I'm here to help you, okay? Because I ain't want you to go out there and spend your money. Because we ain't got time for all that. Okay? If you see this name before, this is my new channel. The last channel, I don't do that no more. This is a new channel. So with that being said, I am trying to reach 100 subscribers. I have not reached that yet. And hopefully, if it's you, if you like videos like this, I have a lot that's coming and I got a lot that's out. So check out my videos. I got shorts, I got long videos. So check those out. If you want to see me drawing, you can watch this video right here. So I pray that you all have an amazing day. Stay blessed. Bye.